Hello, here is the second problem of CodeDB. It is called Sum and Loop. The goal is to sum up several numbers represented in a list or array. Input data are given in the following format. You see here are two lines. First of them simply contains the count of elements. It is 7 here, so in the second line there follows exactly 7 integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, and you are to print the total of them. Let us think how the human counts this total. We keep in our head a temporary current total. Let us think that it is initially 0, and then we add each of the numbers to it. So we add 3. 0 plus 3 gives us 3, and we remember it as a new current total. Here it is 3. 3 plus next plus 14 is well, I think it is 17. So we remember 17 as the next current total. 17 plus 1 is 18, and so on. We continue until we get the result, summing all of these values. Let us see how it could be implemented in code. Here is a snippet of code in some imaginary language. You are to translate this into your favorite Java, C++, or Python. Here is what it is doing. Firstly, we read the number from the first line into some variable. Let us call it n. We will use it to so that for loop written below will know how many iterations to iterate. Well, we also create a temporary variable for result. Let us call it s, and we initialize it to 0. The rest is simple. The loop, for loop, for example, will take us through 7 iterations. It is given by this upper bound of the loop, and on each iteration we read x and calculate the following equation: x, which is 3, for example, and s, which is initially 0. We sum them up, and the result 3 is written, the 0 means assignment, it is written to s again, so s becomes 3 from 0. On the second iteration we see that s is 3, and we read the next value from input. It is 14. We sum them up again, and we get 17. We store 17 into s again. The third iteration brings us to a point where s is 17 and x is 1. Well, we sum them up and we get 18, and we continue for 7 iterations, and at the end we print the final, the last value stored to s. I believe it would be 63. You can check this later. Well, this is a classical approach. with the explicit loop. However, many contemporary languages allow us to cheat using built-in function usually called sum. It is used to sum many integers, many values given in array or list. Let us see this next approach. Here are the steps. At first we simply skip the first line at all. We do not need the value n because we can extract it from the second line. Second line is read into some string variable 3, 14, 1, etc. Integers separated by spaces. Next we call usually built-in function, usually called exactly split. To split the string by spaces, and also we will need to convert the numbers into integers. The result of splitting is usually an array, so it is converted from a string to an array of integers like these 3, 14, 1, etc. Arrays are called lists in Python, but it is just the same. And now we only need to apply built-in function sum to this array. It is written something like this, and the result is printed out by some printing operator. It would be also 63, I believe. But you should always understand that this built-in function sum, it just incorporates the loop which we have seen on previous slide. So if you are going to use a language which allows this lazy approach, I think it is worth trying both methods, one with explicit loop and one with built-in function sum. Well, now it is the time to try to write and submit your code, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.